Sorry. Good morning, everybody. Alexa. Good morning.
Good morning. Author Jack London was born on this day in 1876. He was well known for gripping wilderness tales, like the short story To Build a Fire. Brrr. I get cold just thinking about it.
Interesting. So, if you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back, thank you for coming back. Today I have an exciting video. I just received my January Boxycharm. This is the first one of the year, and I am a Boxy Luxe subscriber, so I do get the big box every 3 months, I think it is. The last big box we had was so exciting, and I can't wait for, I think it's coming out in March. I can't wait for that. But let's go ahead and see what's inside. So let's just jump right in. So here it is. It always comes, if you've never had Boxycharm, it always comes with a little card, and they always have like a theme of the month. This one says Boxy and Chill. Maybe it'll go with my theme of today. And then the back just has like all the products and the prices and a little explanation of each product. And so here it is. So the first thing that I see is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. Yes. First of all, this palette costs $36. It's limited edition. Here is what it looks like. So cute. I've always loved Tarte's packaging. I love the gold. Absolutely love the gold. This looks like a mermaid tail. Just beautiful. And you can see all those beautiful shimmery colors. Ignore my nails. I'm getting them done today. I'm like, I ripped them all off last night. Yes, it's so pretty, very neutral. I believe there was 2 different kinds, so this is the one that I got. I got the volume 2 or volume 3. I got volume 3. So there's the first thing, and again, that was $36, and this box is only $21 a month, so just this alone is already worth more than what I paid. The next thing that I see is, ooh, some Tatcha luminous dewy skin mask, and they give you 2. So there that is. So pretty. I love the packaging on this little thing. This is so cute. I'm obsessed with face masks. Not wearing them. I'm obsessed with buying them. Yes, I have issues. I buy them because the packaging on them is like so cute. Can't help myself. Anyways, so this luminous dewy skin face mask is supposed to nourish skin from within using lightweight blend of rich germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. It says $24, so that I believe that would mean one is $12. That's really good. So these 2 alone, $24, is worth more than what I paid. And then you add this one, which is $36. That's over 50 bucks already. The next thing I see is a Starlocks eyeliner. I have received a few of these in the past, but I do like these for days that I don't wear a liner or like eyeshadow or something like that. I just kind of pop it on the lower on the upper lash line, and I smudge it out and make it look kind of smoky, and then I pop my lashes on so it doesn't look too like false, I guess you could say, when I do wear falsies. But I do love this liner, and this luxe longwear eye pencil goes for $19. Okay, the next thing that I see I'm excited for, because I really do love this brand. Oh, exposure. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Hair Mask. I do really love this brand. There we go. And this one goes for $16. All right. So the next thing I got is obviously a lipstick, and I was so excited to get this one. It's like a beautiful burnt red. And this Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick goes for $20. And first things first, let's try something. I'm gonna put this Tatcha mask on first. It says apply mask, smooth to fit, comfortably, leave on for 15 minutes. Woo. It says smooth to fit, so I'm just gonna smooth it on my face. Okay, so while this is sitting down, hey Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:06 a.m.
So 15 minutes. I've probably been wearing it for a minute now. So I'm gonna take it off at like 10:20, but wow, this is sitting in my face. I'm gonna put this Strength and Moisture Briogeo hair mask in. Voila. So, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:20 a.m.
So it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this baby off. Now I'm just gonna take some concealer and prime my eyes. So now that I have my eyelids primed, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, this light brown shade. And I'm not always a fan of soft looks. Normally when I just step out, I don't even wear eyeshadow or anything on my eyes, but now that I have this little palette, I can do something quick and easy. And I'm just taking the darker matte looking, well, not matte, but shade, and I'm just applying that all over my lid. Simple. Next, I'll be taking this JH31 brush, and I'm gonna go in with this bronzy color right here, and I'm just gonna apply this to the outer corners of my eyes just to give it a nice smoked out look. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is go in with this white shimmery, don't want it to shine you in the eye, but this white shimmery color right here, I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm actually just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna get some product on there and dab it on my eyelid. This is how easy it is. Woo! That is popping for a natural day. Okay. Then I'm just going to take that big fluffy blending brush, the JH30 brush, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, the first color that we use, and I'm just going to blend everything together, make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay, perfect. And that's it. That's it for easy everyday look. So, okay, so I'm just gonna take this Starlocks liner and I am going to line my eyelids. All right, so there you can see I lined my eyelids. And now I'm just going to take a smudging brush. This is a luxe brush. This is also something that I got in Boxycharm. This is why I really recommend Boxycharm, because if you're like a newer makeup collection person or you're slowly getting into it, they do send out a variety of things like brushes and blushes and bronzers and highlighters and lipsticks and mascaras and stuff like that. So I love getting a bunch of new stuff because then you can try out different things. All right, so I smudged it out. It looks really smoky and beautiful. I'm really happy with how that turned out. That was so easy. It took me like 2 minutes. So next I'm gonna apply some mascara, and this is the Grande mascara. I also got this in Boxycharm last month. I'm gonna pop on some lashes. All right, so I went ahead and popped on lashes. And now, since we did do something Tatcha, I thought, why not throw in my Tatcha primer? This is a very, very luxurious primer. It's supposed to feel like silk. I mean, it does feel silky. It does feel super soft. Okay. And since I do want to go along with the luminous dewy look, I'm going to go in with my NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation. I like to apply this with a beauty blender, and I'm not sure if you guys heard of the Juno & Co microfiber sponge. I love this sponge for foundations like this because it doesn't hold a lot of product. It doesn't suck in a lot of product since it is covered in like microfiber, and it does leave like that velvety finish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pump this on my face. So next I'm gonna go in with some concealer, but I'm not going to like really highlight like I normally do. I'm just gonna put a few dots just to lift up my eyes, and then highlight the main points of my face as normal. And I'm just gonna take my regular beauty blender for this. Alright, so now that I have that, I'm going to set my face with some pretty vulgar setting powder. This is something that I also got in the Boxycharm last month. Like I said, you guys, these Boxycharms are so worth it. Like, I got setting powder. I would have never bought this setting powder. I would have never tried it because I'm so stuck on my Laura Mercier and my Maybelline Fit Me, and you know, everything that I know works good for me, and I'm always like hesitant to try. I'm going to take some bronzer, and today I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I really do like this bronzer. I feel like it gives you like a naturally radiant bronzy look, but I hate the smell, like hate. So here's what it looks like. I'm just going to take a little bit, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. Nothing too harsh, just something to give me some warmth. Okay. Next, I'll be going in with some highlighter. I know I'm doing this step a little bit backwards than I normally do, but I want to make sure it looks kind of like airbrushed. And so I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek highlighter. This is in Flexitarian. I absolutely love these highlighters. These are like 10 bucks, I think 10 or 15 bucks, but the pan size is great. They last me so long, and all I do, you can take your finger, you can take a brush, but I usually take the beauty blender, whatever is the cleanest side, and I just like tap it in there, pick up some product, and then I pat this on the highs of my cheeks, wherever I'm going to apply a highlighter. I just don't like to put this on my nose because it's so shiny, and I don't want my nose so shiny. But, oh, it's so pretty already. Jeez. And now I'm going to apply my blush. I'm going to use the Laura Geller Baked Blush. This is in Tropic Hues. This is more of like a luminous gold hue blush. I love this blush. I just don't go in with it too harsh because it can come off harsh. So I take like a light feathery brush. This is the JH06 brush, and I'm just gonna flick it on my cheeks. Ever so lightly. And then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe JH09 brush, and I'm gonna take some Morphe setting spray. I do love this setting spray. So while that's wet, I'm gonna take some MAC Soft and Gentle. This is like a must-have in your makeup collection if you don't have this. Hello. And I'm gonna go right on top of the highlighter and just give it an extra oomph. Oomph. Girl, look at that. Look at how amazing it looks. First of all, but I'm dying to try this lipstick color. So I'm just using the NYX Ever lip liner. It's the darkest color I have. So sad. I'm not a fan of red lipstick. I'm too blanquita to wear this bright ass red lipstick. Excuse my language. This bright red lipstick. This one looks a little toned down. Oh, it looks a little pink. Okay, I'm like weird. Does anyone else do that? Does anyone else smell their makeup? Like when you get brand new makeup and you open it, do you smell it? Am I the only weird one? Probably, huh? All right, so I feel like that's as good as it's gonna get without a lip liner. I don't know why I always suck at doing my top lip. And I think whenever I go with brighter colors, it kind of makes me more nervous. So I intend to like a little bit more extra. But there you guys have it, you guys. Now I'm ready to go do my errands. Alexa, do you like my makeup?
I don't have an opinion on that.
She does. I just got my Alexa for my birthday back in November, and I've been playing around with it a lot more. She's pretty fun. All right, and by the way, look at that. Oh my god, I didn't even brush my hair yet. That spray, the Briogeo spray. You guys really need to get the Boxycharm. I swear, if you don't have Boxycharm, if you're not a charmer, you need it. I'm going to leave my link down below. Like I said in the middle of the video, I do not get commission off of it or anything. I'm not sponsored by Boxycharm. I just have a code that when I refer a friend, I get some points, and it allows me to pick out products just like at Sephora. If you're a VIB member, you know when every time you buy something you get points, and you can turn those points into a free gift. So that's kind of what it is for my code. So if you guys don't have Boxycharm, go ahead and click the link down below. $21 a month, you get 5 full-size products, and it's always more than what you pay for. So over $100 worth of product. All right guys, I'm out. I gotta run. See you in the next video. Have a beautiful rest of the day.